feel very naked in this one. Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you're all having the very best of days. I am going to be filming for you today another trying on prom dresses video. So I've done quite a few of these by now. I will link in the clickable I button a little playlist if you have missed out on them, if you haven't seen them and you want to, where I basically try on prom dresses from eBay. They're super cheap, super inexpensive, super affordable, and sometimes not the best quality. So I'm gonna go ahead and try them on for you, and I'm gonna test to see whether they're actually worth the little money that you pay for them, or whether they're just not that great. So if you do enjoy this video, be sure to give it a huge thumbs up for me. It would make me super duper happy if you did give this video a thumbs up. Make sure also that if you aren't already, click that subscribe button and turn notifications on, because YouTube doesn't always let you know when I upload a video unless of course you have notifications fully on, and even then, sometimes YouTube doesn't let you know. So make sure you do follow me on my social media. My Instagram handle is just @Jazzybum, same for my Twitter. Make sure you go ahead, find me and follow me, because I always update my stories with what I'm doing. Also, let me know in the comment section down below when your prom is, whether you've had your prom, whether it's coming up, whether it was 4 years ago because you've left school, or it's in 4 years time because you're not old enough yet. Let me know when your prom is, and if you've got a date or if you're going with friends. I went to my prom with friends the first time round and a boyfriend the second time round. So let me know in the comments when your prom is and who you're taking, and yeah, let's get on to today's video. Okay, I've just opened prom dress number 1, and this is what it looks like. It's quite nice. It looks quite elegant, and there's just a rather large pair of pants to go underneath it, because it is completely see-through. Like, what? I'm just gonna wear these little pants underneath it. I'm gonna be going to prom basically naked. Not that I'm wearing this to prom, but okay, we shall try it on. I'll see how it goes. I'm nervous. I feel very naked in this one. I'm basically in my underwear with a sheet over me. This is the extent of the dress. I mean, it even opens on the side so you can fully see my underwear. It's nice. I definitely don't think I would wear it to prom. This seems like something maybe someone really cool like Rihanna would wear on a catwalk and get away with. Prom wise, I probably wouldn't wear this, because I'm basically just wearing my underwear with a little bit of fabric across me. I'm gonna go ahead and use the term extra. It's a little bit extra. I do quite like it, I'm not gonna lie, I do quite like it. I don't think I would ever be confident to wear it anywhere, but I definitely don't think I'd wear it to prom, where everyone's taking photos and you're in your underwear. That's like a bad dream. That's like a really bad dream. If I do this and walk along, you kind of can't tell that I'm naked underneath. The other thing is, it's super low cut, so I'm assuming you wear this with no bra, none of your own pants, you wear the provided pants and this dress, and you're basically naked. So I'm gonna go ahead and say no to this dress. But let me know in the comments if you would ever feel comfortable enough to wear this dress. I'm sure some of you would. I'm sure some of you have amazing bodies and you want to show them off. But for me, I'm gonna go ahead and say this is a no. Let me look at what this looks like online. To be fair, I've just looked online at the person wearing this dress, and this is what it looks like. I thought maybe I'd ordered a normal dress and it came and it was see-through, but it turns out I just ordered a see-through dress. I don't remember ordering this. I ordered it a long time ago. It's a see-through dress. This is what it looks like online. It looks pretty much the same. She's just walking around like this with her leg out, and this is what the dress is meant to look like. So I guess I'm gonna have to say well done to eBay, because the dress looks how it does online. I'm just not too sure why I picked it, and I probably would never have the confidence to wear it. However, well done eBay. The dress is kind of spot on. Okay, the next dress I believe is kind of more wedding-y vibes, but it said prom dress. It came up when I searched prom dress, and then I just thought I'd try it. So this could be me trying on a wedding dress. Nick, if you're watching. Okay, I'm sure this looks nice on camera. It feels like the simplest piece of material ever, and I don't think this is gonna hang nicely on me, so maybe we'll put off the wedding for a little while. I'll try it on. Okay, so this is the dress, and as I said, pretty sure this is more of a wedding dress than a prom dress, and I'm having to stand on my tippy toes because otherwise I'm gonna stand on the end of the dress. It's a little bit too long for me, even on heels, so I'd have to wear really big heels. So this is the dress. I do actually think, now that I've got it on, it is actually quite a nice dress. It's really simple, but it is kind of elegant. I do quite like the back of it, although I think it's a little bit loose on me. It could be fitted a bit better, but I do quite like this dress. It is really, really simple. Like I said, it's just a plain, simple white dress. But I mean, if you didn't have too much money for your wedding / prom, I do think it's quite cute. I don't think many people would question it if you wore this to your wedding or your prom. I quite like it. I probably wouldn't wear it. It's not really my style, but it's not a terribly made dress. It does fit quite nicely. I do like the lace detailing on the back. And yeah, it's nice and long and flowy and just simple and elegant. So I'm not complaining about this dress. It's quite nice and stretchy too. You've got quite a little bit of walkway in it. And you can do squats a little bit. It's got a bit of give, this one. Yeah, now it's my kind of dress. This is much nicer. No, but you know, elegance and stuff. Hard to sit down in this dress. I've got to like roll it up around my thighs. You can't tell, but I'm pretty sure this isn't classy or feminine. This dress, I've seen a couple times on eBay. I've wanted to buy it. This time I bought it. It looks from the picture like it's got a super long, like big train to it. So I thought I would buy it and see if it actually comes with any form of train at all. It's also super low back, so not really my style, but we're gonna try it on and see how it looks anyway. Sequins and dust and fibers. Oh my gosh, can you see this if I do this? Can you see that? Can you see that at all? That's really not nice. The floor is now covered in fibers and sequins and stuff. So this is the dress. How do I, okay, so it must have a cross back. Okay, so this is the dress. It looks like it's got a form of train. We will see how long the train is. I don't understand what's going on at the back, but I'm kind of stuck. Ah! No, that can't be right. Ow! I'm so confused. What is going, that cannot be right. I don't understand. I don't get this. I don't understand, but it's stressing me. Okay, we're gonna stick with this arrangement because I can't sort these straps out any better. They're very uncomfortable and the dress is pretty itchy, but ta-da! It looks quite nice. I don't hate it. I love that it's got a little petticoat under it so that my pants aren't unshowed. It's not super sheer. It looks quite nice. It fits me quite well. It's very uncomfortable around the back bit here. There is a little bit of a train. Look. Way. Woo. This is what it's going to be like when I've got a wedding dress on. Ooh, I've got a train. I keep talking about weddings. We're not getting married just yet. Haven't even been proposed to. Yeah, I'm going to go ahead and say this is one of the best dresses I've tried on. It is a little bit uncomfortable with these straps, and like when you touch the dress it's quite itchy, but I think the look of it is pretty nice. I feel like it looks like the image online, although I don't have the girl's body online, but it looks like the dress online. It's got a little train behind it. I feel quite elegant. It's nice and shimmery, sparkly. So yeah, I quite like this dress. I also like that this little bit is elasticated, so it kind of sits on me really nicely and just stays there. Definitely quite a little bit itchy under the armpit region. It's not the most comfortable, but it looks cute. I looked online. The thing that I thought was a train is a carpet. So yeah, this is pretty much what it shows online. I just looked at the picture wrong. We're gonna go for a baby blue number, which I think baby blue is like the color that suits me most. So fingers crossed this one looks cute. It's soft. Definitely think it'll be more comfortable than what I'm wearing. I am confused. Okay, so, okay, I'm assuming this is the waist and I'm gonna tie these up somehow. We'll see how I get along. This is the current situation. These pieces are so long. I thought I'd just tie them around my neck, but they will be really, 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 really long. I quite like this color and this fit. I quite like this dress. I just need to work out how to do this. Ooh, it's a multi-way. Okay, so it says it's a multi-way, which means you can tie it lots of different ways. So I guess you could tie it like this and wear it like this, but I don't know how else you could do it. Like, how else could you do it? I feel like an octopus with extra arms, look. Wow. We're just gonna play around and see what we can do. I'm gonna try. Not a big fan of that way. We won't do that. Oh, fancy, then you've got a little halter neck crisscross going on. Tie a little bow here over your bottom. Make this nice and tight around your waist. Cute. Or you could have a little bow on the side or the front or the back. This is a great dress. I'm actually quite happy with this purchase. Oh no, I definitely think somebody helping me with this would be great. I want this to look like this. Yes. Tying bows behind your back is not easy. Okay, cute. I really, really like this dress. So scrap the last dress. Forget I said that was my favorite. This is my favorite. This is cute. I'm definitely gonna keep this and possibly wear this places. I really like it. So thumbs up to eBay on this dress. Let me know what you think down below. Okay, final dress for this video. Let's see how this one goes. Okay, so it's an off-the-shoulder dress. I was really confused. I thought this was where your waist went for a second, but it's got little sleeves on it, so it's a little off-the-shoulder dress. It's a little bit longer at the back than it is at the front. So let's try it on. Okay, so this is the final dress, and I do like it, but I feel like you'd have to put in a little bit of work to get it ready for prom. So maybe some really nice jewelry, really flashy heels, maybe a little bit of sparkle in your hair or something. I don't know, it just doesn't feel very prom-esque when it's just on like this. It feels very night out, evening out type thing as opposed to prom dress. But it is really pretty, it is a really nice fit, it's nice and floaty, it's just elasticated around my shoulders so that it stays up. And yeah, I do quite like it. I just maybe wouldn't wear it to prom, but eBay did well on this one. Okay, so that is it for today's video, and I've got to say, I've been pretty impressed with today's dresses. Let me know down below in the comments what you think. Give it a thumbs up if you did enjoy watching. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, and I will see you guys for another video very, very soon. Bye!